Previously, I did a video of how to solve the Telegram SMS fee problem. In that video, I showed you how you can sideload an app and get the code via your WhatsApp. And most of the feedback that the audience gave me was positive. Many of you tried it and some of you dropped a very important comment that we need to talk about. It says, "Brother, it works, but no contacts are displayed. Even when we search, nothing shows." On another Telegram app, a paid one, it works. Please explain how to browse to find them. I even tried synchronizing, but nothing appears. This is a real issue, and if you're seeing the similar or same thing, don't panic. Today, I'll show you exactly why your contacts disappeared and how to bring them back instantly. So here is the thing that nobody tells you about. When you uninstall the Play Store version and install an older APK, that older version sometimes loses permission to read your phone contacts, doesn't sync contacts correctly, uses a different backup file, or simply doesn't understand your updated phone data. When you update through the up-to-down, in case you downloaded using the up-to-down website, as I stated in the previous video, those broken settings stay inside the app. That's why your contacts are gone and your search bar shows 0 results. Don't worry, I'll show you how to reset everything safely. First thing, please don't skip this. Open your settings and go to apps, then head over to Telegram, then head over to permissions, and finally go to contacts. Then make sure that you allow. When you sideload an app, Android sometimes blocks contact access until you manually allow it. If this is off, Telegram will automatically show you that you have 0 contacts, no matter what you do. Now we're going to Telegram itself. Now once your Telegram app opens, head over to the settings, then privacy and security, then go to synchronize contacts. Now here the steps to follow is turn off synchronizing contacts and wait for 2 seconds and turn it on again. This forces Telegram to recheck your phone book and rebuild your Telegram contact list from scratch. Now this method is super powerful and safe. Head over to Telegram settings, data and storage usage, and now clear cache. Now please note that your chats won't disappear. We are only clearing old files that came from that old Telegram version. Now if your contacts don't show, this is the fix that fixes almost 90% of the users that have confirmed that it worked 100%. Just head over to the settings, then go to the privacy and security, then delete synced contacts. Then you need to confirm. Your Telegram account may be holding corrupted data from your previous app version. Once you delete it and resync, everything reloads clean. Now let's talk about the paid or subscribed version of Telegram you talked about. Having a premium account gives you a lot of privileges, and mark you, this is where Telegram enables most of the things, so like maybe you just accomplish some. Since you're a paid user, paid privileges are really good for any service worldwide. I'm not saying that it's unofficial, but it's the official way of connecting your Telegram. Meanwhile, when you download it via these third-party websites and install the app, remember you're installing an app that is from a third-party website. instead of installing the app from the Google Play Store. So obviously you'll have to miss out of some features, you may encounter bugs, something like that. That's why I prefer you follow all the steps that I mentioned in this video so that you see this issue resolved. Now here is what shocks most people. Your phone book must have correct country codes, no hidden duplicates, no empty numbers, no old SIM contacts that aren't synced. Now if your contacts aren't saved properly, Telegram will have to just ignore them. Now before you comment that maybe it's not fixed or it doesn't work, please check out of this. Telegram has contact permission. Actually here I emphasize enabling all permissions to be on a safer side. Sync contacts is on, then cache is cleared, synced contacts are deleted and resynced, your numbers have country codes, you updated Telegram to a stable version from up to down, your phone book is clean, you didn't deny permission during installation, you restarted the app after changes. Do all this and I assure you your contacts will reappear again. I hope this clears up why your contacts disappeared after using the sideload method. Now there is one bonus tip that I want to share with the community. If everything failed, the only way to solve this issue is to delete the Telegram folder. Actually deleting the data folder, because you may need the media, but the data folder, though the media you can still re-download since Telegram is server based, so your data is uploaded to the cloud and all that. Just feel free to do what you feel will work for you best. If you're free with re-downloading the media, then just clear the folder. If you at all you're afraid of it, delete the data folder. And to the user who commented, I would like to say thank you, because this has helped so many people. I know this video is gonna help a lot of people. Now if your contacts came back, type fixed in the comment section, and if they didn't, please describe your issue in the comments. I'll reply fast. That has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.